Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. It is Dee with Ddluvsbeauty, and I'm so excited to finally be back with you guys to film and show you this eyeshadow look that I did. It is actually a eyeshadow look that I did using a palette that I purchased from Amazon. Yes, I know, from Amazon. So this palette is called Twilight, DUSK, and Twilight and Dusk palette, and it's by a brand called UCANBE. I think this is a dupe for the Huda Beauty eyeshadow palette, and I think that because the colors are very similar in the inside. Now, I don't actually have the Huda Beauty palette to actually compare, but just looking at it online, I think they are definitely some of the same colors. So as I was doing my makeup with this, guys, I have to say this is definitely one of those palettes that you can go buy from Amazon. I know all of them are not great. Some of them are just kind of a waste of money. But this palette, it was a good price. And the eyeshadow application was awesome, guys. It was very easy for me to apply the eyeshadow. It was very easy to blend. The colors were they came off the exact way that they looked in the palette, and I just cannot say enough good things about this palette. I really like it. It's definitely great for fall. I will be using this a few more times in my video, so if you're interested, please continue to watch for those. And I just love the palette, guys. I will put it in the description box, the exact seller and everything that I purchased it from, and it came quickly. I do have Amazon Prime, so it did not take a long time for me to get it. I didn't have any issues, and so this is definitely a thumbs up palette. So I really liked it. I did my entire eyeshadow look with this palette. I didn't use any other eyeshadows from any other palette or any single eyeshadows or anything. So I definitely like the palette. Now in this video, I did not include the foundation routine. I may do an updated foundation routine, but to be honest, I'm still using the Colourpop foundation. I just love it, guys. I am going to go ahead and get another foundation to review. So if you have any ideas or any suggestions for foundations for me to try and review, please leave a comment in the description box, and I will try and go out and get it so I can do a review for you guys for another foundation so I can actually switch mine up. Hope you like this look. It honestly did not take a long time. I was able to do it very quickly, and I think it is just perfect for fall. I definitely love these colors. When I'm doing eyeshadow, I tend to reach for these. So warm colors, I'm trying to get out of my comfortability with using these colors, but I just love them. I think it works perfectly with dark skin tones, and I just love it. So again, let me quit rambling. I'm just so happy to be back. So if you want to see more videos for your girl, just give me a thumbs up. Please subscribe, and I will see you guys in my next one. Bye. Alright, so we're going to go ahead and get started. I have already primed my eyelids with the Urban Decay primer potion, and now I'm going to go in with a neutral tone to go ahead and set that primer potion. So I'm just going to take a fluffy brush, and I'm just going to go ahead and apply that onto my lid. And I'm going to be using a skin tone brown that is called Cosmo, and it is from this Twilight and Dusk palette. Alright, now that that's on, the next thing I'm going to do is go in with this color that's called Twilight. It is kind of a, I don't know, like a mauve color, but it's more of a pink shade. So I'm going to go ahead and apply that onto the crease. And I'm just going to start in the outer portion of my eye and then drag that color in. Alright, now I'm going to go in with the next color, which is more of a red color, and it's called Turkish Delight. And with this color, since it is more of a like burnt red color, I'm actually going to go right beneath the color that I just used, right in the crease. And just like I did last time, I'm going to start here in the outer corner and then just bring it in. Color, it is definitely not as red as I thought it was gonna be, but maybe it's because it is actually blending in to the first color that I used, but I really like the effect that it's giving. Alright, now for my lid color, I'm going to go in with this shimmery, darker mauve color, and it's called Musk. So I'm going to go ahead and place it on my lid with a flat synthetic brush. I don't have much of a lid, so I'm actually going to be bringing it up a little bit higher. Oh, that is gorgeous. Repeat those same steps on the bottom, and with these I'm going to use obviously a smaller brush so that I can really get underneath my eye. A little bit of that shimmer right underneath my eye. And go with some liquid eyeliner on the top, and then I'm going to go ahead and apply my lashes. And I also need to put on some black eyeliner as well, so I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to use my trusty liquid eyeliner for the top, which is my Kat Von D liquid tattoo liner in Trooper. And then for underneath my eye, I'm going to use my LA Girl gel liner. You guys, I am really, really loving this look. So now I think I'm going to go in with, I think now it's time to go ahead and apply my lashes. So I'm going to go ahead and do that off camera like I typically do. And then I'm going to come back so that we can go ahead and finish up the look with the lips. Alright guys, so I'm back. I have my lashes on now, and now I'm going to go ahead and apply my lips so we can finish up the look. As you can see, I actually went ahead and did my face off camera. I did that before I even started with my eyeshadow. And what I did for my face today, I actually used the Colourpop foundation, which is one of my favorites because I love the way it matches to my skin tone. And all of the other details for my face will be listed down in the description box if you want to know what I'm using. So I'm going to go ahead and get started with my lips and finish those up. So I'm going to go with the Kylie Cosmetics lip liner, and I think this is True Brown K. And I'm going to go ahead and line my lips. And if anybody's wondering why I'm holding that lip liner like this, it's because I tried to actually sharpen this lip liner, and now for some reason the actual lip liner, it comes all the way out, and then when I try and hold it upright and press it up against my lips, it actually falls all the way back in. See, you can see, you can't even see it now. So when I use it, I have to shake it out, and then it falls out like this. So whatever, it still works. So now I'm going to use the, what is this, Kat Von D lip liner in, not lip liner, I'm sorry, liquid lipstick in Mother. And I think it should go pretty well with this eyeshadow look, so we will see. Oh yeah. So this is the final look. I hope you guys really like it. Please make sure you subscribe, hit that notification bell, like the video if you actually like this eyeshadow look.